Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, The Chinese Ginger. Do you want to learn how to cook one of the most famous Chinese dishes? Don't go away. Hi everyone, my name is Peter and this is the very first video on my YouTube channel, The Chinese Ginger. This channel is all about Chinese and Asian food and culture. I'm Chinese and I live in Spain, so I always have a lot of friends who tell me that, hey Peter, I'm really interested in learning how to cook Chinese food. And also, a lot of friends tell me that they're really into Chinese or Asian general culture and society. That's why I've decided to start this channel. I'm ready to share with you guys amazing and authentic Chinese food recipes, and also I will be more than happy and excited to share with you guys my own culture and learn about yours. So the first recipe that I'm going to share with you guys is Kung-Pao chicken, 宫保鸡丁 in Chinese, which is basically sweet and sour chicken with peanuts. The reason why I've chosen this recipe is that, first of all, it is one of the most famous Chinese dishes, and second, it is very easy to prepare. You can get all the ingredients at a common supermarket, no matter where you are. Okay, that's enough for the introduction. Now let's start to cook together. Okay, first of all, we need to prepare the chicken. I usually use the chicken breast, but you can choose any part of the chicken that you want. Cut the chicken into small cubes. Put the chicken cubes into a bowl, and now we need to marinate the chicken. First, we need a pinch of salt and some Chinese cooking wine. Don't worry if you don't have it, you can simply use spirits to substitute. And also a few grams of starch. Then we need to add in some soy sauce. Let the chicken sit for a few minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make our sauce. For the sauce, we need 3 spoons of Chinese cooking wine. One and a half spoons of soy sauce. Half spoon of vinegar. I use dark vinegar here, but again you can use any type of vinegar that you have at home. Now add 5 grams of sugar and a few grams of starch. At last, pour in half cup of water and mix everything up. Other ingredients for this dish are 10 grams of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of green onions, and chili. I'm not a big fan of spicy food, so I don't usually put chilies, but if you like spicy food, definitely give it a try. Besides, we also need 30 to 40 grams of peanuts. Now we're ready to cook. Turn on the fire, put in some oil. When the oil is heated up, put in the chicken and stir fry it until it's cooked. With the same wok, put in some oil again and put in the garlic, ginger and green onion we have. Stir fry them. When the fragrance comes out, put in again the chicken. Stir fry for a moment and pour in the sauce. Remember to mix it well, as it may have gotten thick. Keep stir frying it until the sauce thickens. Turn off the fire. Now it's ready to serve. It looks really nice, doesn't it? It's a perfect dish to eat with rice, but also you can eat it with noodles or even just bread. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and please give me a like and follow me if you want more recipes and know more about my culture. Thank you so much and see you next time.